Easy to splice. Floats in water. Color: yellow. Working load 144 pounds. Hollow braid polypro rope is an economical rope that is easy to splice. This is a common rope used for ski tow ropes and other small marine applications. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Purchased for a variety of needs, but the main one recently was to replace some frayed and damaged rope from a car shed. This is a night and day difference versus the rope that came with the shed. From the pics, you can see it is a much stronger and thicker rope versus what came with the shed directly. Much better quality and very strong. It is a great price and you get more than enough length here. I would highly recommend this. Nice rope for the right purpose. Needed a lot of inexpensive rope to keep the deer out of the garden. It's been up several months now and is doing the job nicely.